Well, this is a story about how someone get to the hoboing thing. This one is called Hobo Blues. When I first started a hobo, I wanted a freight train to be my friend. When I first started hoboing, I wanted to have a freight train to be my friend. Cause when you got no loot at all, you can't reach a destination. The best thing for you to do is find that old freight train to be your friend. You know, all these blues singers, sometimes when they travel late at night, they want to reach the destination. Cause they gotta play that old hobo blues. Yeah, when I first started the hobo, you know, that was a mighty long time ago. When I first started hoboing, baby, it was a mighty long time ago. You know, I got so much trouble. I ain't got no money, I ain't got no food, I ain't got no shoes. So I wanted to have that old freight train to be my friend. Freight train, be my friend. I gotta have you down by my side. I gotta have you right down by my side. All right, you gotta hit me now, baby. freight train to be my friend. When I first started hobo, I wanted freight train to be my friend. That ain't no lie, people, 'cause I ain't got no loot, I got no bread at all. Yeah, I'm talking about hope.